Hello and welcome back to our channel. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and that's especially true if you're managing diabetes. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best and 5 worst breakfast foods for keeping your blood sugar in check. Before we jump in, please show us some love by hitting the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more health-conscious content. Oh, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. That way, you're always updated with our latest health tips and tricks. Now, let's kickstart your morning with some diabetes-friendly breakfast ideas. First up, the best options. Number 1, oatmeal. Oatmeal stands as a stellar breakfast choice for those managing their blood sugar levels. It's a warm, comforting option that packs a nutritional punch. The high fiber content in oatmeal is particularly beneficial for blood sugar control. Fiber slows down digestion, which means that the release of glucose into the bloodstream is more gradual, preventing spikes that can occur after eating. It's this steady absorption that makes oatmeal a go-to option. Plus, it's versatile. You can top it with a variety of nuts and fruits to keep things interesting while also adding extra nutrients. If you're interested in incorporating oatmeal into your diet, aim for the less processed types, such as steel-cut or old-fashioned oats, which have more fiber and less impact on your blood sugar than instant varieties. Always watch out for added sugars, a common pitfall with some flavored oatmeal packets, which can counteract the benefits. Remember, while oatmeal can be beneficial for blood sugar control, portion sizes and toppings should be considered to maintain balance. Consult with a healthcare provider or a dietitian to create a meal plan that's right for you. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a superb choice for a morning kickstart, especially for those keeping an eye on their blood sugar levels. What sets Greek yogurt apart from its regular counterpart is the higher protein content and lower sugar levels, which is exactly what you want in a diabetes-friendly diet. The protein helps you feel full longer, supporting weight management, and it doesn't spike your blood sugar like high carbohydrate or high sugar options might. When selecting Greek yogurt, go for the plain, unsweetened variety to keep your sugar intake low. You can always add your own toppings for flavor, like fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a drizzle of honey for those who can afford a little sweetness in their diet. It's also a great source of probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that support gut health, which is crucial for overall well-being. To keep things diabetes-friendly, measure out your portions and choose your toppings wisely. Adding nuts or seeds can provide healthy fats and additional protein, making it an even more balanced and satiating meal. As always, consulting with a healthcare professional about how best to integrate Greek yogurt into your diabetes meal plan is a smart move. Number 3, eggs. Eggs are a fantastic breakfast choice for managing blood sugar because they're rich in protein, which helps to slow down the absorption of carbohydrates and consequently can prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. The great thing about eggs is their versatility. They can be prepared in numerous ways: scrambled, boiled, poached, or made into an omelette with a variety of veggies for an added nutrient boost. Protein isn't the only thing eggs have going for them. They also contain important vitamins and minerals necessary for overall health, like vitamin D, which is not commonly found in many foods, and choline, which is vital for brain health. Plus, they have healthy fats that contribute to satiety, making you feel full longer. One consideration for those with diabetes is to be mindful of cholesterol levels, as eggs do contain cholesterol. However, current research suggests that for most people, dietary cholesterol isn't as impactful on blood cholesterol levels as once thought. Still, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you have been advised to watch your cholesterol intake. To round off your meal, consider serving your eggs with a side of fiber-rich vegetables or a slice of whole grain toast to ensure a balanced intake of nutrients. Number 4, whole wheat toast with avocado. Starting your day with whole wheat toast and avocado can be a game changer if you're managing diabetes. Whole wheat bread, unlike its white bread counterpart, comes from whole grains that are full of fiber. This kind of fiber is a boon for blood sugar control. It slows the rate at which carbohydrates are digested and absorbed, leading to more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Now, let's talk about the avocado. This fruit isn't just about its creamy texture and delicious taste. It's a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats. These are the heart-healthy fats that play a role in maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Plus, they keep you feeling full and satisfied, helping to prevent snacking and aiding with weight control, which is critical for diabetes management. Avocados are also brimming with additional health perks. They contribute a substantial amount of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting overall well-being. They're essentially a nutrient-packed complement to your toast. When you marry the fibrous benefits of whole wheat bread with the rich, satisfying fats of avocado, you're served a meal that hits all the right notes for carbohydrate, fiber, protein, and fat balance. And if you're looking to up the ante on protein, why not top off that avocado toast with a poached or scrambled egg or a dusting of feta cheese? It's a straightforward yet scrumptious way to ensure your blood sugar levels remain as steady as your enjoyment of the meal. Keep in mind though, despite all its virtues, avocado is high in calories, so portion control is key, especially if you're watching your weight as part of your diabetes management plan. And finally, number 5, smoothies. Smoothies can also be an excellent breakfast choice for those managing diabetes, but they should be crafted with care to ensure they're nutritious and won't spike your blood sugar levels. Start with a base of low-calorie, nutrient-rich vegetables like spinach or kale, which blend smoothly and have a neutral taste. For a protein boost, which is key for feeling full and stabilizing blood sugar, consider adding protein powder, Greek yogurt, or silken tofu. Nuts and seeds can contribute both protein and healthy fats, similar to the benefits you get from avocado on whole wheat toast. When it comes to fruits, stick to those with a lower glycemic index, such as berries or green apples, to add natural sweetness without a sugar rush. It's important to avoid adding extra sweeteners. If you need your smoothie a bit sweeter, a small amount of stevia can do the trick without impacting your sugar levels. Lastly, the choice of liquid is crucial. Opt for water, unsweetened almond milk, or coconut water over fruit juices to keep the sugar content low. This approach ensures your smoothie is not only filling and delicious, but also diabetes-friendly, giving you a blend of vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats to start your day right. Now, let's move on to the worst options. Number 1, sugary cereals. Starting the day with a bowl of sugary cereal might seem convenient, but it's far from the best choice, especially for those with diabetes. These cereals are often high in refined carbohydrates and packed with added sugars, which can lead to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar spikes, it can be followed by a sharp drop, leading to a cycle of highs and lows that can make managing diabetes more challenging. It's also worth noting that these cereals lack the fiber, protein, and healthy fats that can help you feel full and satisfied. As a result, you might find yourself hungry soon after breakfast, which can lead to overeating or snacking on other high-carb sugary foods throughout the day. A better approach to breakfast cereals is to choose ones that are high in fiber and low in sugar. Look for whole grain cereals without added sweeteners and consider adding a source of protein such as nuts or a dollop of Greek yogurt to create a more balanced meal. This way, you can enjoy a quick and easy breakfast without the unwanted sugar rush. Number 2, pastries and donuts. The aroma of fresh pastries and donuts from the bakery can be hard to resist. Yet indulging in these treats for breakfast isn't ideal, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. These baked goods are typically made with white flour and are high in unhealthy fats and refined sugars. Consuming them can lead to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, which can be harmful over time. Not only do these foods lack nutritional benefits, but the high content of unhealthy fats can contribute to cholesterol problems and the risk of heart disease, which people with diabetes are already at a higher risk for. Moreover, the satisfaction they provide is fleeting because they lack the fiber and protein that help maintain a feeling of fullness. Choosing alternatives that are lower in refined sugars and unhealthy fats while being higher in fiber and protein is a smarter move. If you're craving something sweet in the morning, consider a piece of whole grain toast with a thin layer of almond butter and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This can satisfy that sweet tooth while also providing a more sustained energy source to kickstart your day. Number 3. Fruit juices. Fruit juices, often perceived as a healthy morning beverage, can be misleading for those keeping an eye on their blood sugar. While they do come from fruit, the juicing process removes most of the natural fiber, leaving behind a concentrated source of sugar and calories. When you drink juice, the sugar it contains is absorbed quickly into the bloodstream because there's no fiber to slow it down. This can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which is exactly what individuals with diabetes should avoid. Plus, without the fiber, the juice is less filling, which might not help with satiety and could lead to overconsumption of calories. It's a better idea to eat whole fruits instead of drinking their juice. Whole fruits retain their natural fiber, which not only helps manage blood sugar levels, but also contributes to a healthy digestive system. For instance, starting your day with a whole orange instead of a glass of orange juice can provide the same refreshing taste while delivering the fiber needed to keep your blood sugar balanced. Number 4. Pancakes and syrup. Starting the day with pancakes and syrup might seem like a treat, but for individuals managing their blood sugar levels, this breakfast option can be problematic. Pancakes are often made from white flour, a refined carbohydrate that the body breaks down quickly, leading to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. This is because white flour lacks the fiber that helps slow down the digestion of glucose. Adding syrup only compounds the issue, as it's a concentrated source of sugar without any nutritional benefits. When poured over pancakes, the syrup contributes a significant amount of sugar, which can cause a sharp and unhealthy spike in blood sugar. While the fluffy texture and sweet taste of pancakes with syrup can be tempting, they offer very little in terms of protein, fiber, or essential nutrients, which are crucial for a balanced, diabetic-friendly diet. Instead of traditional pancakes and syrup, consider alternatives made with whole grain flour or almond flour, which have more fiber and protein. Topping them with fresh fruit or a small amount of pureed fruit can add sweetness without the sugar overload, giving you a more balanced and blood sugar-friendly breakfast option. And finally, number 5. Sugary coffee drinks. These popular beverages might give you a morning caffeine fix, but they're often brimming with added sugars and syrups, contributing to a quick rise in blood glucose levels. The high calorie content, mostly from sugar, offers little nutritional value, which is why they are referred to as empty calories. It's not just the sugar itself that's concerning. These drinks often contain whipped cream, flavored syrups, and other high-calorie additions that can disrupt blood sugar control and add to your daily caloric intake without providing satiety or essential nutrients. What's more, the caffeine content in these drinks can have variable effects on blood sugar, which may make diabetes management more challenging for some individuals. For a healthier start to your day, consider swapping out sugary coffee beverages for black coffee or coffee sweetened with a sugar substitute. You can also add a splash of milk or a milk alternative for extra creaminess without all the added sugar. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of coffee without compromising your blood sugar levels or your overall health. And there you have it, the 5 best and worst breakfasts for diabetics. Let's make every breakfast count. Choose foods that are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats while avoiding those sugar-laden and refined options that can disrupt your blood sugar control. We hope you found these tips useful. Remember, taking care of your health is a daily commitment, and it starts first thing in the morning. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more guidance and support on your journey to wellness. We're here to help you live well. Take care and see you in the next video.